Alright guys, if you have this problem, if your engine bay really looks like this, insulation coming down, it's a mess, we have you covered with our brand new makeup rail. See it here, made from high-end aluminum, high-end powder coated, and we're gonna walk you now through step by step how to install this one. First of all, you have to loosen the pre-installed threaded plastic caps one by one. Just to show them, these are this one. Please make sure you don't want to have them falling into your engine bay. Those suckers are a nightmare to get out. Next step, you take the makeup rail and you fit it in. We have a hole for each of those pins sticking out, and you take these ones. They are included in our package. These are new plastic threaded end caps. Sits way tighter than the original ones. And you push them on one by one, very gently. You start in the middle, just gently push, not too hard, but they should stay on. Make sure that those ones don't fall in. Start in the middle and then take the ones at the side at the ends. So once you have them pushed on, next step is you're going to turn them so to tighten them up. You're going to also do that one by one, starting at the end. Move your way forward. A couple of turns to take, but you will feel it that they're tight at some point, and you're done. It's a difference like night and day. Suddenly your engine looks all cleaned up, not messy anymore. You don't see anything of that insulation. So that's the Classicmotorshop makeup rail. You can order it right now. If you have any questions, drop us a message. Bye.